I'm going to show you how you access iCommute through your Buckeye Mail. First, log into your Buckeye Mail and then navigate to the 9 dots in the upper left-hand corner. You should see Teams right here on your list. If it is not, you can go to All Apps, scroll down, and here Teams will be. If you click Teams, it will open in this browser. Or you can click the 3 dots and open it into a new tab, which is what I like to do. Once you are in Microsoft Teams, you should be able to see iCommute with your teams. All of the commuter students within the iCommute have access to the general chat. We also have breakout groups based on location. So if you live in the Gahanna area, you will have access to the Gahanna-Bexley channel. If you live in Dublin, you will have access to the Dublin-Hilliard channel.